Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Monday. So on Mondays we make savory recipes, and today I'm going to show you how to make a ham in a crock pot. So this is perfect for Easter if you're hosting Easter maybe like for the first time and you want to cook something that looks really impressive and makes your whole house smell so delicious, but you're a little bit of a beginner or you just don't want to fuss. This recipe is so perfect for you. So literally you buy a ham, put it in a crock pot, add this like delicious pineapple apricot glaze that I'm going to show you how to make, and then leave it just like on its own for 4 hours. It's like done and it smells and tastes amazing. So let's get started. So first we're going to make the glaze, and you need some freshly grated ginger for this, and I wanted to include this little hack in this video because my mom taught it to me and it's made my life so much easier. I don't know, so much easier, but it's cool. If you are grating fresh ginger and you want to remove the peel, instead of using a peeler or something, just use the edge of a spoon, and as you can see, it like removes the peel so beautifully. It doesn't take off any of the extra ginger, it like just removes the peel, and it's so handy. Isn't that so handy? And then we're just going to use a little cheese grater to grate our ginger, and it kind of just like softens it, but like whatever, we're turning it into a glaze anyway, so that's okay. And then you want to place that in a small pot with some crushed pineapple and some apricot jam. And set it to medium heat. Bring it to a boil, then place it in a blender and pulse until smooth. Then to prep the ham, so the ham debacle, oh my gosh. I initially wanted a spiral cut ham, and what a spiral cut ham is a ham with the bone inside of it still, and the butcher slices it in like a spiral motion, so it like basically pre-slices the ham for you. So after you cook it, when you just like cut the ham, the slices are already like nicely made and they just kind of like fall off. So that's what a spiral cut ham is, and grocery stores sell that around like Christmas and Easter and things like that, but it's seasonal, so filming it in advance was not an option because no one carried it. And so I was like, should I just wait? I'm like, but I want to like get ahead and like film ahead and not stress my life out too much. So I was like, you know what, well, this is like supposed to be an easy video anyways, so I'm just gonna go to the grocery store and buy like a whole little ham that they have like where the bacon is sold in the grocery store. And my Metro is like a grocery store in Canada. They didn't have the whole one, so I bought 2 halves and we're just going to stick it together. So that's what we're doing today. You can use whatever kind of ham you like as long as it's already cooked or like cured. You don't want to add raw ham, so whatever will fit in your slow cooker, that's basically what you want to get. So I have a 5-quart slow cooker, and so 2 halves the ham fit like perfectly. It was like the perfect size for my slow cooker. And if you want the slow cooker, I'll have it linked in the description box below as well. So because the ham wasn't sliced, if you just want to slice into it with a knife, you can make as thick or as thin slices that you like, but don't cut all the way through. Just like cut maybe like half or 3/4 of the way down, so they're still like attached to the main ham, but we're doing this so that like the glaze can kind of like soak in between all the slices and flavor the ham that much more. So after you do that, just pop the ham into your crock pot and cover it with the glaze. And then cover and cook on low for 4 hours. And every hour or so, or like whenever you remember, just spoon the glaze that's like on the side of the ham on top of the ham. You don't have to do it. Honestly, I did it like once, but it'll just like help flavor the ham and keep it nice and moist. And you want to cook the ham until it reaches an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Then just serve with a thickened glaze and you are done! So I hope that you guys like this recipe. If you would like to see more crockpot recipes, please comment down below and let me know like what type of recipe you'd like. I just bought the slow cooker, so there's so many things we can do. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post a new video. And I upload every day from Monday to Friday, so if you're new and you don't know like what's going on this channel, there's like a ton of recipes every week coming at you, so we will never run out of ideas. I have so many to choose from, oh my gosh, and next month there's so much like chocolate and Nutella coming for you guys. I am so excited. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow for an all new video. Bye!